Aeocky is a dehumidifier, 500 square feet that is, 5 pints, rotary design that will dehumidify a room, and it comes with hoses and more. We're going to open up, show you how nicely packaged this is, and set it up in a room and talk about it. Opening up the package, this product comes in silver only. Check online for further detail about your product. As we lift open the top, we have the instruction guide on top. Removing the insulation cover, grabbing the handle, and lifting away. On the bottom of the unit is your manual and some parts. You have your hose that you hook up to the unit to your drain area for additional drainage. It is a 110 volt VAC unit. Remove the safety cap off of the plug. And here is the unit, your drain spot. Pull out and empty out when filled. On the bottom over here is a plug that you pull out. And if you ever lose it or break it, you're given 2 spares. You're simply going to slide in. On the bottom, you're going to simply pull. And then you place back on like so. Cut your tie wraps, take the hose, place it on, slip over, lock into place, and place in a bucket or something where you have a drain. Simply twist to take off and close up. In order to empty out the case, simply grab, empty your water out, fill up. There's a little float over here that has a magnet that tells the unit when it gets filled inside. Close back up by pressing on and sliding back in. For your first time, remove your labels. You have a handle that you can grab, a nice fan area that do not block against a wall. An on and off and your controls and the fan speed, your screen indicator, and remember to peel your film off. Your first turn on, you have indicator of a timer and so forth. You're going to hit the on button. You have your fan. It is pretty quiet. As you can hear the fan blowing. Hit it again. You have sleep mode. You can hardly hear it. And hit it again, back to the fan mode. You have a timer, which is the second button, 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, and off. It's really that simple to operate. Put it in a room up to 500 feet. It has rubber feet on the bottom, so that they will grip the table. And if the unit tips over, it gives a number of warnings and will shut down. It starts up and the window is silent. Over here we have a little area of interest that you pull out, which is your fan filter. Simply rinse it off. Clean it up, slide back in. The portable dehumidifier can be placed anywhere that you like. Simply turn on and let it do its job. Setting up to put into a sink the hose as simple as just pulling out the tray, plugging in your cable, allowing it to drain. And if the tray is moved out, it gives a warning that the tray is out and the machine should stop working. We have a window, we can see the water, and you can see the water just coming out as the unit is on. We have the hose hooked up. As you can see, the water is coming out in the sink. So this way nothing gets drained into the container. We'll give an idea of the unit, how much heat it's drawing. And how much heat that's in the back of the unit. 74 degrees. You have a handle that you can move it anywhere you want, and you can see the heat of the unit blowing out. When all done, simply just roll the hose up, pull out the tray, lift up, empty the water out, place in your hose, close up, store away for another day. Great for areas that water has spilled, you need to evaporate, take the moisture out of the air. The dehumidifier is great for a 500-foot square room. I hope you enjoy your dehumidifier. Very quiet indeed. A machine that will run and take care of your dehumidifications. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.